Hello everyone, my name is Sidney Carr and I'm here to share this awesome program I came across called the Cash Building System Unlimited. It is a new postcard opportunity that came online that's setting the internet on fire right now. I mean, people are jumping on this left and right. I've never seen nothing like this before. It only costs you $50 to get in, and with your $50, you get 200 postcards, and with the 200 postcards, you get 200 names. You heard me right, folks. 200 names. These are names of people who are interested in joining your company, that they can make some extra income. And you don't have to chase down your friends and family, anything, because the company provides you with names of people who are interested in something like this. That makes it much more easier. So all you got to do, peel the name off, put it on the front of the card, put a 35-cent postage card stamp on here. Not a 55-cent, but a 35-cent, because postcard stamps are only 35 cents. There's a difference. Send it off, wait for your results. And your results might vary. I'm not guaranteeing you anything, but I know one thing. You start sending these cards out, somebody going to be interested in something like this, a $50 startup cost, one-time fee. And then the company also have a different phase. This is just phase 1, phase 2, where you can sign up and to make more money from doing this the same thing. When people that join up, and when people sign up under you, the company gonna give you $25, additional 200 cards, additional 200 names. So if you sign up 4 people on 1 week, that's 800 names, 800 more postcards. You can't beat that. I'm gonna have some more videos coming out that'll show my results, because I'm just getting started. But I know people that's in this company that I'm up under, that 3 weeks time, they already making money. A few people I know, they just joined up, they making money. That's how easy the system is. So up under this video, there will be a link you can click on to go into more detail that talks about phase 2. If you're interested in signing, there will be a link you can sign up under, and you have to put my ID number in, which will be 354. So any comments, folks? I mean, I'm just so excited. That's why I'm making this a short video. Any comments you need to make, put in the comments box. Any questions, I'll answer them for you as soon as I can. But folks, jump on this. I mean, my number is 354. And from what I understand, that's how many people, whatever number you get, that's the amount of people that's in this company. So right now, I'm pretty sure before this weekend, it'll probably be up to 400. It's less than 400 people in this company, for folks. So, hey, jump on it. Opportunity, they say to jump on the opportunity first start, I mean, it's not even saturated. Nobody else is doing this right now. Nobody. 200 postcards, 200 names. Nobody else doing this right now. So just click on the link below, and I'll get back with you shortly, and I'll make another video to show my results. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.